I am so excited to share with you this fish taco recipe. I have done another fish taco recipe on this channel, but I've got a little bit of extra content in this video that you are not going to want to miss. Right now, I'm whipping up some fresh flour tortillas. We've made these a few times and my family absolutely loves them. The recipes and ingredients for everything will be down in the description so you won't miss anything. My daughter was super excited to help me with the editing on this video today, so give her a little thumbs up because I think she did a great job. These flour tortillas are actually pretty easy. Once the dough had formed itself into a ball, I popped it on my island and cut it into about 16 smaller pieces. And the key here is to let it rest for at least half an hour. We love our tacos with sour cream and salsa, cabbage, avocados, all those wonderful things. And once I get this fish all seasoned, I'm going to show you how I make a really good pickled onion. This is the sucker fish from my last video that I made. If you want to see how I filleted everything and the weird thing that I found inside, then you can check that out after this is done. I made sure that I got as much moisture off the fish as I could, so that way my seasoning would actually stick. You could use this recipe or you could use whatever seasoning you like. I love adding some extra garlic and all that good kind of stuff. Even if you have just taco seasoning that your family loves, you can pop that on. This sauce is like the make or break. It's sour cream, mayo, garlic powder, lime. Oh my word, the best.
Oh yeah, that feels good.
The key to these tortillas or little tacos is to let them rest. If you don't let them rest, which is what happened to me the very first time I used this recipe, they were like an arm workout. So don't be like me, let them rest. Cooking them in the pan took no time at all, maybe 15 seconds per side. When your pan is nice and hot, they won't take long. I cooked my fish for maybe 8 to 10 minutes until it was nice and flaky, and then I added some butter, put the lid on, and just let it sit on the side. I didn't want to cook it anymore, but I just wanted to add a little bit of fat, make it a little tastier. Here's the pickled onions I was talking to you about. I've been watching The Conscientious Eater on YouTube, and she's amazing with food. This is her recipe, and man, it is so good. So says my husband. I don't love onions, but he really liked them. And come on, when you're adding maple syrup to just about anything, how can it not be amazing? Does anyone else look at a cabbage and think, wow, that is one of the prettiest things I've ever seen? I love me some purple cabbage for the crunch that it gives, for the look that it gives. It's just so beautiful. I'm just chopping up a bunch of other veggies and stuff that I wanted for my tacos. You can dress up your tacos however you and your family love, but this is what we did for ours, and man, oh man, were they ever the bomb. I hope your family loves them as much as ours did. If this is any sign, supper was awesome.